Hi guys, up on Durdham Downs. Fairly calm day today, and I've got some different rubber on the toy aeroplane. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll try and remember to point the hat camera up a bit higher than I've been doing, because I seem to miss. Okay, wind coming sort of that way. Guy with his dog coming this way. I haven't done anything to trim this since it was last out. Although I got rid of the rubber bands that were under there. I've actually wrapped cotton around it and glued it. Okay, here goes nothing. Not a good start. Okay, try again. Well, it looks to me like I could have doubled up on the rubber. Well, I've actually doubled the rubber band over. Right, here we go again. Hat camera pointing up a bit more. That's a bit more like it. That's a bit better. Yeah, that was nice. Hope we got that on camera. I don't think we're going to get a 10-minute flight or anything. Well, that was interesting. I deliberately launched it angled left. It almost did a loop there, sorting itself out, but it did sort itself out, but it's still turning very tightly to the right. I'm going to stop there, guys. The rubber has broken. It is old hobby grade, stuff that I've had in storage for ages, years. But the real reason I want to stop is there's just too many people here walking around. It's a bank holiday Monday, so people are obviously out with their kids, and it's really just not safe to be flying this. I don't want to cause a problem to anybody, so we'll give it a rest.